I did it again. Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. Prime box day again. Got another package. So I'm pretty sure these are some fragrances. So let's check it out. Roll with me. So let's get right into it. Like I said, it's a Prime box. I got from Amazon. I ordered some stuff. Trying to grab a knife. Oh, here we go. Got the fighter on deck this time. And let's go chop this open. So it's a brand new year. How you guys doing out there? Hope everybody's good. Trying not to cut myself. And there we go. Cool. Let's see what we have. What's in the box? What's in the box? Paper. And oh yeah. It is not Tiffany's, but it is in a box like Tiffany's. But this is Tonka Oud by Shaga Tonka Oud by Swiss Arabian. And there's another one in here. And another one. And another one. Oh, this is Masa. Masa, and I think this one is by Latafa. Yeah, by Latafa. All right. Let's crack open these two. Let's see. Let's start with, I got Masa in my hand, so I'll go ahead and start with that one. All right, this is a big box. Now, from what I've heard, this one is supposed to be similar to or a clone of Ganymede. And I have a clone of Ganymede already, but from what I've heard, this one is close to it, but not exactly the same thing. It's more of a spin on it. So hopefully I'll be happy where it's different enough that I can actually use it instead of just having it sitting in collection. But anyway, here we go. This is Masa. There's the box. Got the Latafa and the how much milliliters at the bottom. On the top of the box is just the Latafa. On the sides, there's nothing. On the bottom, it's like a little hole, I guess, to push the bottle through. And then the back, we have the Latafa information and then the holographic sticker. So let's see. It slides out. Oh yeah, and that's why that hole is in the bottom. Push it through. Here we go. Uh-oh. I'm taking it out upside down. Latafa. Little pamphlet. Okay, and here is the box. This feels like kind of weird. But here's the box. Little gold plaque on the front. Mine has a little dent on the side of it. And then nothing else on the box, on this outer box. So let's see how this opens. Oh, okay, opens like that. Oh, it does come off. So I guess it just slides up or whatever. I don't know. But it's a pretty good presentation. And this looks like it's a nice shiny gold bottle. And it's a nice presentation. I'll hold on to that for a little while. But this one is kind of looks like a genie bottle. Like when the Aladdin, you rub the bottle and a genie comes out, poof. And this top is pretty solid. Almost feels like metal. It may be metal. And this bottle, it feels like it could be metal also. But yeah, there it is. It has Masa on the front, and I don't know what that is above it. Some type of item or something. So let's take a look at it. Let's take a spray. Let's check it out. Got me some tester strips here. And let's get this twisted around. Let's see. Okay. Actually, yeah, it is it does smell like Ganymede, but it's a twist on Ganymede. It's not exactly. The one that I have already is the Celestial fragrance, but this is nice. It almost feels like it's a little bit more mineral smell coming through. Hmm. This is nice. This is nice though. You know what? Let's do this. Let me move that there, and let me get. I think I have some free skin somewhere. Let's see. Try it on skin because that's the true test, how it smells on skin. And the good thing is I don't get an alcohol blast. It's just oh, this is different on skin. This is a little bit spicier on skin. Like spicy, almost like a red pepper type of spice. But it's fading. It's fading pretty quickly. But it's a nice peppery kind of vibe. I like this. This is kind of nice. It has something else in the background, like a mossy kind of green. It's less mineral on the skin than it is on that strip. On the strip, it smelled like the mineral value was coming up really high, and this on the skin it's more peppery, and this is nice. I'm gonna let it sit for a little while, and I'm going to go on to the other one. Where's the other box? What else did I get? Oh, here we go. So this is Shagaf Oud. This is by Swiss Arabia. There's the front. On the top, nothing on the box. Actually, let me open it up first. Where's my blade? I don't know what I did with the other blade, but I'll go back to the butterfly knife and get it cut open. Let's see. Go. Get it torn off. It's nice. Oh my goodness, this paper is trolling me. It's like sticking to the box. Get off of there. Okay, so here we go. So it's a nice little greenish blue box, like an aqua green, and nothing on the top, nothing on the sides, on the bottom, nothing, and then on the back there's some written information and no holographic sticker. I'm not sure if Swiss Arabia does holographic sticker, but it opens up like a coffin. Open it up slowly so it doesn't fall. Oh, but it's in here securely. Yeah, it's in here securely. And it's like a black felt, and then it just sits in there. Pretty nice. So the box is really nice. You heard how nice that hose was. I don't think it's magnetic, but it's spring loaded. Okay. So let's look at this box. The bottle is the same as the regular Shagaf Oud bottles. The back is hooked up with the X's. The top is gold with the X's all over it. Nothing on the sides. On the front, you just have the name. Then on the bottom, you have a little sticker. So let's go ahead and get a couple of, and on the top of the bottle, on the top of the top, they had the SA from Swiss Arabia. So let's try to get a spray. There we go. And this top is plastic. It looks higher quality than it actually feels. Okay, so let's go. I think this one's supposed to be a clone or something also, or similar to something. Whoa, sweet, and I don't even have to put it to my nose. This is sweet and like cottony kind of vibe. Oh my goodness. This may be a little bit more feminine than masculine, but it smells good. I'm getting a vibe of Tonka, but I'm getting some nutty kind of vibe also. Like I don't know, like maybe like a cashew or something. But this is nice. This is almost gourmand, because it has something that is powdery in the background, and that sweetness from the Tonka, but the nut in it is some kind of nut that's in there. I'm gonna have to look these notes up. This is nice. This is like, and now the sweetness is dying down a little bit. So okay, this is getting more approachable. When that first blast, it was a straight feminine kind of fragrance, but as it's dying down, it's getting a little bit better. It's still leaning feminine, but it's a little bit better than that initial spray. Let's go ahead and try to get a spray on my arm. Trying to find some clean skin. Shoot, I'm gonna have to go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go way up here. Okay. Since it's got an alcohol blast from that. Probably because it was a little bit too close, but let's see, waft it out. Oh, okay. On the skin, it comes off a little bit more spicy, so it's less feminine on the skin. A little bit spicy. Still has that nut kind of vibe to it, and also has that cotton or sweetness, or like almost like Play-Doh kind of vibe to it. I like it, but it's going to be a very situational kind of fragrance. It's going to be a fragrance that I have to wear like at certain points. This is not something that you just grab and go and put on. Even though it's a good smelling fragrance, it's playful, and it's when you're going, like, say for example, if I'm going to a business meeting, and I want to be taken seriously, this is not something I want to put on. I want to put this on like maybe in the evenings, hanging out with the wifey, or if I'm going to play with my son in the snow or something like that. This is more something like that. But yeah, this is nice. Okay, let's get the notes, and I'll be right back. Hold on a second. So I got the notes of Masa and Oud Tonka. So Masa, this one is supposed to be a clone of the Ganymede, and the notes for this one, the top notes are mango. Oh, actually, probably before I say that, I just want to mention that this one was released in 2023. Also, the Tonka was released in 2023 also. So the top notes for this one are mango, saffron, lemon, and pink pepper. And then the middle notes are violet leaf, osmanthus, ginger, and orange blossom. The base notes are mineral notes, suede, patchouli, and amber. The note that what I was picking up, probably the spiciness that I was thinking, is probably coming from either the osmanthus or that saffron, because when I say spiciness, and now it's becoming more prevalent, that it smells like saffron. It's not, when at first it smelled like a spicy pepper, like a hot pepper, and it's moving more into that Swedish kind of vibe that you get from saffron. But yeah, this is nice. It's not exactly as like a Ganymede. It doesn't smell exactly like it. So that's a good thing for me, because that means I can use it in different occasions if I don't want to use that that style of fragrance. So let's go to Tonka, Oud Tonka. So Swiss Arabian Oud Tonka. That's this one here, the pink bottle. I mean, blue bottle. The Tiffany bottle. This one, it starts out with almond. That's the nut that I was smelling. And to be honest, the nut is still there, but it's the top notes are almond. The middle notes are orange blossom, cinnamon, and Turkish rose. And then in the base notes, we have tonka bean, vanilla, and amberwood. Oh, so it's no oud in it. Amberwood is not oud. Agarwood would be oud. Okay, so this one, that nutty vibe that I was getting in the beginning, is pretty much gone now. Now I'm getting, it's kind of like a powdery, kind of like a fashion powder that you put on your body. That's the vibe that I get from it. I'm not sure where it's probably coming. It's got to be coming from the tonka and the vanilla, and maybe a little bit from the is that amber? No, cinnamon. Oh, the spiciness that I was getting before. It's coming from that cinnamon probably. Okay. Oh, and this one was released in 2023 also. So yeah, those are the two fragrances I just got. Nice collection, nice additions to the collection. I appreciate those. I'm digging them. Both of them I'll be able to wear. The Oud Tonka is probably one I will have to wear situational. I'll have to pick and choose the times I could wear. The Masa is something that I could probably wear a little bit more often, where it's fine for office sense. It's more versatile. You can wear multiple places. And the other one is not. All right, so that's all I got for you. 2 new fragrances. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me. Talk about 2 new fragrances that I just got. All right, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Till next time, deuces.